guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside. We are enjoying the sun, the nature, the birds, everything. So if you hear a lot of birds, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. Anyways, if you're watching this video, it's because you want to know why you should start a YouTube channel next year in 2021. So you know, this is my personal opinion. I think you should start a YouTube channel in 2021, and if you're watching this video, it's because you are already thinking about it and you just need someone to push you doing it and some reasons, like valid reason, like the right reason to start your YouTube channel in 2021. And well, there is none. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna tell you like, oh yeah, you should do this or that or whatever. Like, I am not an expert on why you should do it. I'm just gonna tell you why I started mine and why I think you should start yours next year. But first, coffee. So if you are here, it's because you have been thinking of starting your YouTube channel all this year, and you are probably overthinking and be like, why should I do that? What is my value? What I can offer that other people don't already do on the platform? Like, YouTube is oversaturated. We don't care. Let me tell you that we don't care. YouTube is not oversaturated. There are tons of people that making video, but there are tons of people watching them. I know that when I watch a video, I don't watch only one video, I watch multiple videos from different people. So stop wondering if someone's going to watch your videos, because if you are actually doing the job, your video will be watched. Okay, so the first obvious reason on why you should start a YouTube channel next year in 2021 is COVID-19. Okay, that sucked. That was a terrible year for the world, but since people are inside, people are bored and people are watching YouTube and are watching videos. So this is the best time right now for you to be on the platform and start your YouTube channel, because you will have more chances to be seen. Number two, you have knowledges on different subjects, informations that not everyone can have or do have. You can teach something, make people learn something new. It can be DIY. That is the best reason to start your YouTube channel in 2021, because who doesn't want to learn something? Who doesn't want to know more about a certain subject? And so I know that me, for example, I do love to learn new things. I am watching tons of video on YouTube, always looking for how to do this or that or whatever. Like, I always really want to understand how people do certain things, and this is skills that I don't have, and this is skills that I can learn from other people that do things. And so I believe that if you have certain skills, certain informations that you can share with the world, then you should do it. Even so, if it's something as simple as doing something with your hair, or like wearing different makeup, or even doing your nails a certain way. I know there is tons of people who actually do it on YouTube, but what if you're doing it better? Or what if you're doing it another way? There's always something about you that is different from other people. This is why you should start, because you will never be the same as someone else. You will be unique, and this is why you should start your YouTube channel. Alright, number three, why you should start your YouTube channel next year? Well, just because you can. You can do whatever you want. If it's something that you always dreamed about and that you're too scared of what people's going to think about you, your friends, your family, you don't want to talk about it. I know that this is a concern for a lot of you guys out there. Well, you don't care. You do whatever you want. This is the point. This is YouTube. You are talking about the subject you want. You are sharing the thing that makes you happy, and you don't even have to show your face. You don't even have to talk in your video all day. If you are shy, you can only start by showing your hand and writing some text like a caption on your video, etc., without talking. Number four, to make a side hustle, money. Well, I know you're gonna say, Justine, what are you talking about? Like, to make money, you'll have to have like some 1,000 subscribers. Even if you get that, you're not sure if people are going to watch your videos, and you don't know when you're going to make money, blah, 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 blah. I know. I do believe also that if you are consistent, if your content is great, and if you are keep going and keep working hard on the things you want, you'll get the money eventually. So it's not gonna be like you making your first video and you're gonna get $10,000 a month. No, it's not working like this. But guess what? It didn't work like that for anyone. Even the most successful YouTuber on here worked hard, uploaded tons of video before getting where he is now. But he started his YouTube channel, okay? Hi guys, I'm sorry. For some reason, my card was full. It's like 64 gigabytes. I didn't talk that much, okay? Okay, so where I was at, if you stay consistent and you're doing hard work, you will get the results and you will start to make money. So that's a great reason to start making your YouTube channel. And so the last point that I wanted to talk about on why you should start a YouTube channel is it is fun. It's fun to film. It's also really fun to talk about the things that you love and the things that you know how to do, and teaching someone something and knowing that what you taught them was helpful for them. That is the best. It takes a lot of time, but when you do what you love, it doesn't really matter. So the process of filming yourself or filming what you do, plus editing the video, plus sharing and seeing that people are watching your videos, commenting and want to know more about you and your work, that's pretty amazing. So yeah, anyways guys, that was a little chit chat on my porch that we just redone and put the screen. We screened the porch, so that's nice. I love hanging out there now. Hope this video has been informative for you, that thanks to this and some encouraging words, you want to start your YouTube channel next year. Please, if you started creating your YouTube channel, don't hesitate to put your name down below. I will be happy to check your channel out. If you have any question, let me know as well. I would be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, take care. See ya.